Yeah. Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Dhruva Mukherjee. I'm a member of the club, and I also dabble in military history. Coming back to Kashmir, as a citizen of this country, would I be amiss in saying that our focus on the western front of Kashmir made the eastern Ladakh area a forgotten frontier and Aksai Chin a forfeited piece of real estate?
So I couldn't quite understand the question. Can you just repeat it once more?
I mean,
Also
our focus on Kashmir, on Pakistan, on the western front, neglected the eastern front, that is eastern Ladakh, and thereby the entire Aksai Chin is a piece of forfeited real estate.
Not really. See, Aksai Chin, you lost out not because of Kashmir, you lost out because of the vision at that time. If you considered, if you go into the details on this, every expedition that went into Aksai Chin area said this is what Aksai Chin is. There are 7-8 lines in that area which are on the map from various British expeditions. After that, there was an expedition which was sent out by the Dogra kings. They said something else. That area, we never made an effort in that era to find out where did our borders actually rest. We accepted what was given to us. And there was no inclination to check what is there. Today, when you look at that map, it is quite clear that Aksai Chin is the only area through which a road joining Xinjiang and Tibet will come through. Because on the other side, you have got the Taklamakan desert. No road will go through that. So, it is not that you neglected something. It happened at that particular time, and now there has been no neglect. I think our focus in eastern Ladakh has never changed. The troop strength has never changed. Yes, certain periods of the year you have more people, certain periods of the year you have less people. But overall the stance is same. The threat envisaged is always the same. What the Chinese were able to do was that because on their side it is flatter, they have created more ways of communication, more tracks, more roads, and in their case, vehicles can ply on that. In our case, you have to climb. If I was to tell you that if you have to go to Finger 1 on Pangong So, you actually have to use ropes along the cliff to go to that area. On the other hand, on his side, you can drive. Now, there is a difference. So, there are difficulties. It is not that the area has been neglected.
But then any future plan of India on Aksai Chin?
We have always said in all parliamentary resolutions that we will take back whatever somebody has taken from us.
Good evening, General. My name is Anjan Sengupta. I have two questions. One is for China. Are we going ahead with 2 battalions of the Mountain Strike Corps, and where we are with that, on that at the present moment? And on Pakistan, we had a very interesting SIGINT unit called Technical Support Division. It is stated that Pulwama, etc., would not have happened if the TSD was working. Do we have plans to restart TSD in any other form? Thank you.
Let me take your first question. See, whatever you have planned, it will materialize. And let me assure you, there are many things that are happening. Whatever is the number of troops or the strength that you require in a particular area, that will be available. Whether it becomes a new raising, it becomes reshaping the existing resources, reallocation of existing resources, but whatever is the requirement which meets the operational needs, that I think our army and the national leadership will ensure that it is provided. Where the technical support division is concerned, I've got no clue. I can't say whether it will come up, whether it will not come up. It was a unit which was raised for certain tasks. Why it went away, I've got no clue on that.
But would Pulwama have been avoided if that unit was there?
I don't know. The unit was no longer existing at that time.
সমস্ত খবরের তৎক্ষণাৎ আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটি ক্লিক করে বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন।
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon to get the latest updates.